A lot of you found my quick tip on turning a live photo into a boomerang to be helpful. Since the turning live photos into a boomerang was helpful to a lot of you, I'm going to show you other hidden features within stories. Now let's take an image, and I'm sure you've already discovered this by accident that you can zoom out and in on pictures and videos. Right now we're going to zoom out, place this like right there, go into our camera roll, select another image. You can open the image and press copy image, or you can press down and do it faster like that. And we're going to go into Instagram. There's going to be a pop-up in the bottom left. Tap that. Now you can layer images, and you can zoom in, out, rotate, whatever you want to do. You can also tap it to flip it, but since it says text, it doesn't make sense. And you can select on this one. You have to tap before you can move it around. If we want to add another one, we totally can. Come in here, copy the photo. Next, we're going to make text multicolor or gradient. So text, gradient, and then we're going to hold down, highlight all of it, hold down on the cursor and on the colors. See how the colors change to that gradient? Move across, and now your text is gradient. You can change gradient by coming into different color schemes and doing the same thing. Here you're not going to be able to tell too much because we are in the blacks and grays, in like the grayscale. You change that. This one's a little bit more, I mean, there's still dark colors. Let's see, bright color, gradient. Make sure it's all highlighted, hold down, and it's brighter now because I dragged across more to the top of the color gradient that came up. So see how, like, when we hold down on here, I dragged more across the top where the colors were brighter. Down here they're a little darker, so that's why we have the difference between these two. So those are some tips to get more creative with your stories, and really, the options are unlimited. Honestly, you can get super creative if you use things in conjunction. So like we're using create mode right now. If we're pasting a photo, just go get another one. Long tap, hold, copy, back to Instagram, add sticker. And you can actually swipe between apps like this. I don't know why I don't use that feature. It's quite convenient. You can put that there, and let's add a GIF. That's convenient. It says save look. Actually, I want this up there. Maybe over here. And this one we're going to drag out and make smaller and put it down there. And then off to the edge, overlap it like that. That's this, and GIFs you can flip. It doesn't matter if it's text or not. Let's change the background color. I want to make it like a different gradient. We can either pull colors from here. I want to kind of pick my own. Long hold. Done. We can even, if you sometimes things move because you tap on them and it thinks that's what you're selecting. We can even add a poll. Which one? Which one? Okay, that H just wants to be capital, so we're just gonna leave it. Beanie, hoodie. So now you have a poll that you can integrate. Obviously, you're gonna have to play around with the layout, but I'm just like making this up on the spot as I'm going. No pre-planning. You can still tag the brand. You can still use everything, like in create mode, whatever mode you're in. There's so many features that you can overlap. Yeah, this looks like a hot mess now, but you get the point. If this was helpful to you, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Peace out.